happy birthday. I know you hate me. Well, I miss you too. I know it's kinda late, but happy birthday.
So ayun, sa nag-iisa naming OM na pogi, OM Pao, happy birthday. Isa lang ang wish ko para sa iyo. Wish you good health for you and for your family. And be safe as always. Happy birthday, OM Pao.
Okay, rolling, 1, 2.
Hi, Oms! Happy birthday!
Thank you so much, Oms, for being always there. And thank you sa binigay mga opportunity sa amin. We will forever treasure this. Happy birthday and God bless to you.
Hi, Oms! Thank you so much for all the guidance sa amin. And wish you all the best in life. Sana mabuhay ka pa. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. God bless you!
Hi, happy birthday. So, ang wish ko sa'yo ay good health. And again, thank you sa tiwala mo dahil kahit pa paano, mula day one, nandito pa rin ako sa'yo. And syempre, kahit palagi tayo nagkakatampuhan, please know that, I appreciate you and we love you so much. Happy birthday!
Hi, thank you so much for being so considerate, lalo na sa pagdala mo ng food every day. So, na-appreciate ka namin. Sana next time, let's naman. So, next time, my wish for you is more money. Kasi alam ko mukhang pera ka. Ayun lang. Bye!
Happy birthday, OM Pao!
You're the kindest person we know. You have so much love to give to everyone. And that's why you deserve to be loved. So, we love you so much and we hope you enjoy your day.
Ingat lang lagi, Oms. Alam mo, Happy birthday, OM Pao! Maraming salamat at nandiyan ka palagi. At kahit magkaiba tayo ng cluster, nandito pa rin kami sa iyo.
We love you. Thank you sa lahat.
Hi, Omski! Happy birthday! I wish you all the best in this life. I love you!
Hi, OM Pao! Happy birthday! You know naman how much I love you. Thank you so much for the friendship and for the love na always mong pinaparamdam sa akin at sa amin. Your concern, genuine friendship. Thank you so much. I just wish you a happy birthday. Stay healthy, okay? And more birthdays to come, of course. Lagi ko lang wish sa'yo is like kang masaya, and ngayon may peace of mind ka na. Sana wag ka nang ma-stress, okay? So yun lang. I love you. Always wish you the best, and of course sana yung friendship natin magtagal pa. Love you always!
Hi, OM Pao! Happiest birthday! Lagi mong tandaan na nandito lang kami palagi and we're really grateful na kahit hindi na kami sa'yo, lagi mo pa rin kami sinusuportahan at ginagabayan. Ayun lang, mahal na mahal ka namin, OM. Happy birthday!
Hi, OM Pao. Happy birthday. I hope that this year brings you endless joy and blessings and, of course, good health. And a happy birthday. See you around.
Hi, OM Pao. Happy birthday. My message to you is I wish you have many more birthdays to come and for you to be happy always. Know that kahit merong mga tampuhan tayo, bangayan, and yes, I'm guilty on the part na I don't give you a lot of time for the past couple of months. Nagtatampo ka sa akin. But still, please know that you're my number one. You're my one and only Omski. And I'm so thankful for having a friend like you, a kapatid. Actually, mas matanda pa ako sa'yo. Okay, fine. But for always guiding me, for always at my back and also for always supporting me. Thank you so much. You're such a blessing to everyone. And of course, I love you so much. Happy birthday, OM. Mama chup chup. Mwah.
Hi, Oms. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Happy birthday, Pao. I know that you deserve all the happiness in the world, and I hope that your day is as special as you are. I just miss you so much. I hope to see you soon. Take care of yourself. May you have all the blessings this earth can hold for you. Happy birthday ulit. I miss you.